Tiasie fie asɛm no by munchirimu no 3 to 4 minutes per ena yɛde bro enra Atletico Bilbao say my friend Athletic Club ɛhɔ na Inaki Williams ɛbɔbɔ na Inaki Williams no Ghana World Cup qualifiers ɛda yɛnim which is against Central African Republic and against Comoros no wonim say afrɛ no as part of the strikers enra game ma ɔmo Mallorca boy no Mallorca Spanish La Liga no mu no unya injury obobi na emum no unya injury na ofree mu enti as we speak oye doubtful for the upcoming Black Stars game no eno na oba Ghana information a ne say most touted player Ghana obi ebo ne din no Kotoko striker Amoah. Into the report is that the report is that Asante Kotoko striker no, which is Amoah, is likely to earn a late call-up. No a joining Black Stars for no Morocco. Adoma Wednesday game no. This is coming from Kumasi. This is coming from Ghana. Mami checho muye me say I say no yenye long story bia me kasa 22 minutes 25 minutes in 3-4 minutes near the nchechemu bia abro enra Mallorca ene Athletic Club na boy on the 53rd minute ena yi Inaki William frame na omu yi ni frame based on medical grounds because opeke knock oyi ni frame no ena odi Nico Williams Nico Williams ye ni nua ketewa nti yi Inaki Williams frame ema Nico Williams by 53rd minute after say who say wa picking knock no. Before that 9th minute of the game and to say the who say at that screen also no unya penalty and oboshe which is Atletico Club and I say Athletic Club Bilbao in your penalty in the 9th minute and Inaki Williams oboshe in the 90 minutes plus 5 minutes no umu win by 2-1 umu win game no by 2-1 inti no Name no 1 point game no. 1 point game no. It was through injury or peke knock inti 80 before no. Person be risk no. Some person be den o. Name no ene kwesi there from Monday ayekwe. And a report eba say one ha untimi join the Black Stars for no because of injury. And I said knock now or peke no. They say untimi join no so dia let us say striker ba kope. And Ghana will be a head and him say akwenya na ba dia onko na onko ejinem onko replace Inaki ewo Central Africa game I beba so ewo Morocco ene Comoros there beba so ewo nkran no. Now this is it. Most Asante Kotoko supporters me bubu mo kaze na okwa Kotoko games no crack Kotoko games sa Wednesday no Kotoko crucial game against baby any go stars for no which is outstanding game no. Yes. Wednesday now Black Stars ne Central African Republic bebo no. Sada na Kotoko ene tima ye freno baby any go stars bebo. So sa ekoba say obe join the Black Stars na sa game no oye out against baby any go stars no oye out. Minim sa as Kotoko supporters yem pushing on ko na on mixing ena ye ne mo Comoros there no so ekoba sa na obesa mix na me bompa say by the time you be bought Champions League Confederation Cup na the on mix say you league no be mix there onko Black Stars no onko bondis kakakra no nya exposure but ye hia no enti ni kwa so okọ no nso ode na ni nyina ne time nyina be ko na wadwen ye wo sen me hu say international Asante Kotoko reaction no so am focus say there be na Kotoko important games ahead what do you think ma mental kan chechemu no na me de abro no asat now any official but the thing is that it is likely say ye be free no what do you think